Stem cells and aging. Hello everyone. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the intricate relationship between stem cells and the aging process. We'll explore how these remarkable cells influence the way we age, their potential to combat various age-related diseases, and the promising future they may hold for extending our healthy lifespan. This topic not only encompasses cutting-edge science, but also has profound implications for the quality of life as we age. To fully appreciate the role of stem cells in the aging process, we first need to understand what they are. Stem cells are special cells that have the unique ability to either self-replicate or differentiate into specialized cell types, such as muscle, nerve, or skin cells. This capacity makes them essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues throughout our lives. However, as we progress into older age, the behavior and functionality of our stem cells undergo significant changes, which can impact our overall health. As we age, our stem cells gradually become less efficient. Their ability to regenerate tissues declines, leading to reduced organ function and increased susceptibility to various diseases. Research indicates that this age-related decline in stem cell function contributes not only to the visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles and reduced skin elasticity, but also to serious health issues, including heart disease, osteoporosis, and weakened immune responses. One of the most compelling areas of research today is the potential of stem cells to alleviate age-related diseases. As we know, aging often brings with it a host of health challenges, such as Alzheimer's disease, cardiovascular problems, and immune deficiencies. Stem cells possess an inherent ability to repair and regenerate tissues, prompting scientists to investigate whether they can also restore tissues damaged by age-related ailments. For example, research is exploring the use of neural stem cells to counter cognitive decline, or cardiac stem cells to repair heart tissue following a heart attack. These possibilities open up exciting avenues for treatment and recovery. Despite the promising potential of stem cells, utilizing them in the fight against aging presents several challenges. One major concern is the unpredictable behavior of stem cells within the body. For instance, there are risks of tumor growth if these cells proliferate uncontrollably. Additionally, the processes involved in harvesting, cultivating, and manipulating stem cells on a large scale are still complex, costly, and require extensive ethical considerations. Nonetheless, researchers are diligently working to overcome these hurdles and unlock the therapeutic potential of stem cells. The ultimate aspiration of stem cell research is not just to prolong lifespan, but to extend what we refer to as healthy lifespan. This means enabling individuals to maintain physical and mental vitality, remaining active and disease-free well into their later years. Imagine a future where innovative stem cell therapies can rejuvenate aged tissues, effectively slowing the aging process and mitigating the impact of diseases commonly associated with aging. The vision is to create a world where aging is viewed as a manageable condition rather than an inevitable decline. While stem cell research is still in its early stages, the excitement it generates in the scientific community is palpable. With ongoing studies, scientists are hopeful that they can develop safer and more effective methods to harness the power of stem cells for promoting longevity and preventing diseases. Collaborations across disciplines and advancements in technology will play crucial roles in advancing this field. The road ahead is challenging but filled with potential breakthroughs that could reshape our understanding of aging. In this lesson, we explored the role of stem cells in aging and their potential to address age-related diseases, focusing on the goal of extending both lifespan and health. Stem cells, known for their ability to self-replicate and differentiate, are vital for tissue repair, yet their efficiency declines as we age, impacting organ function and disease resistance. While research shows promise in using stem cells to treat conditions like cognitive decline and heart disease, challenges such as cell unpredictability, costs, and ethical concerns remain. Still, ongoing advancements bring us closer to therapies that could redefine aging and enhance quality of life in later years. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the dynamic interplay between stem cells and aging. Let's look forward to a future where our perceptions of aging are redefined, leading to a more vibrant and fulfilling life in our later years.